Hello my friends and welcome back to another vlog. Before I get into the actual vlog portion of this video, I thought I would just let you guys know that if you saw a couple of videos ago, I posted a clothing haul with Pop Cherry and I mentioned in that video that they were running a competition and giveaway. So if you go to the video that they just posted, I will link it in my description box below. You can go onto that video, comment your favorite YouTuber or whoever you think did best in the styling challenge. You can vote for me if you want, but if you don't want to, that's fine too. But like I said in that video, I still encourage you to vote no matter who you vote for, because you guys can go into the running to win a $75 voucher, so why not? The winners will be announced the 2nd of May, I'm pretty sure, so you have like about a week and a half, I think. But I'll stop interrupting this video now and I'll let you guys actually watch the vlog, so have fun. I'll leave the link in the description box and I'll see you later in like 2 seconds in the next clip. Okay, bye. So I just showered. I'm gonna go make myself some breakfast and read my Bible for a little while, but this is my outfit that I chose for today. This top is from Glassons. It's so cute. As you can see, it has like all the little like ruffle kind of things. And then my shorts are from Cotton On, and so many people ask me where my shorts are from when I wear these. So they're from Cotton On. The other girls are still sleeping though, so I'm trying to be quiet. What do we have in here? So I just got home from grocery shopping and I thought I would show you guys my grocery haul because I love watching these and maybe you do too. If you don't, let me know and I won't do it again, but let's go. I have some rice cakes, some crunchy oat granola. This is my favorite one. It's like the Jordan's brand. It's so good to have on top of acai bowls or like with yogurt and fruit and stuff. It's so yum. I have some chicken breast fillets for my meal prep this week. Baby spinach for meal prep this week. Brown sugar because I need this to make cookies and it's like a necessity. So of course I had to get this. I got some long life milk for when my mom comes over and wants a cup of tea because I don't drink milk. So I just wanted it for when she comes over. Some cream because I need this for my recipe for my meal prep, as well as some sun-dried tomato pesto, which I also need for my meal prep this week. I also got some peanut butter, and I know I picked up peanut butter in my last grocery haul, but it was like the healthy version of peanut butter, and I tried it and I just couldn't. No. I know this one is way more unhealthy, but it just tastes so much better. I just have to have it. I also got some blue tack to like put things up because I want to put things up like my Polaroids. I got some bread for toast and sandwiches and things like that. Some mandarins, some apples, and some bananas. And lastly, for my like treat, I got some hot cross buns because I never actually had any when it was Easter and they're kind of just getting rid of them now. And these are the chocolate ones and I haven't had them. And so I thought, you know what? Why not? It's also like 8:45 in the morning and I've already like done my grocery shopping, went for a run, read my Bible for a while, got all my day sorted, got my video edited for today. It's just a great time, but my battery is flashing dead. So I'm gonna go charge that. Hello my friends, I have just spent the last couple of hours editing videos, which is really good because it means I'm like set up for a couple of days and so I can do uni work and other things apart from editing in my spare time. But right now it is almost 11:30 and I'm gonna leave to go see my boyfriend at about 12 because he just got back from a trip. He's been away for the past week on like an internship trip, if that makes any sense. But for the next half an hour, I'm going to clean. And I thought, you know what? Why not do a time lapse? So I'm gonna try and clean our random little toilet room and our bathroom. I just don't know what to call this room. I call it like the toilet room because it's just like, it's literally a room, but like, oh hey, but it's just for a toilet. But I need to clean the toilet, clean the sink, and then I want to clean this sink and bench top, and then maybe the bath. I don't think I'll have time to clean the shower, but you know what, we're just gonna clean and probably vacuum as well So let's get started. And I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos because right now I'm watching Mia and it's great. Oh, that's a lovely angle.
I'll lick you and you'll freak.
Ow! Georgia, she bit my finger.
She bites me all the time. Oh, that's bad.
Is it better?
No.
What are you doing? Organizing your shelves? You have no idea what you're doing? I mean, it's just to figure it out as you go, I think.
Dented one. Refund.
This is a little sneaky peek of Georgia Richards' pantry. This is mine, which Izzy has made all messy. She put all this stuff on it. Not all this stuff, it's like 2 things. I can back up there. She can have a messy one. You put all your stuff on my shelf.
Oh,
But look at all my containers that I did. At Julia Macon, are you proud? Also, I think Amy would be proud of this too. This is my dinner for tonight. I have my meal prep that I made earlier today. So this is sun-dried tomato pesto with pasta and chicken, or fettuccine I should say. But it's really, really good. One of my favorite meals and super easy to make. And this is just a little bowl of baked potato, pumpkin and sweet potato with some, like, I don't know, how would you, fried spinach? I don't know. Wilted? Yeah, I guess so. It's just like to get my greens in there, but when you put spinach in a fry pan and just like fry it up kind of, it wilts down so much. So there was like literally like a huge handful of spinach and now it looks tiny. So it just makes it really easy to eat, but you still get your greens and it's fantastic. So I've just spent the past couple of hours studying and getting assignment work done, because although it's holidays I still have like a bunch of assignments to do. And about 10 minutes ago I finished studying and I planned out my day for tomorrow, wrote my to-do list, kind of broke up my day into different sections so I know how much time I have to do each thing. And tomorrow's my last day off till Friday, so I want to get a lot done. And then I turned my phone off airplane mode and Giorgio messaged me being like, "Are you finished studying?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she was like, "Come to my crib." And I was like, "I'm organizing my day. Just wait a second. Stop being so obsessed with me." But now I'm finished, so I'm gonna go to her crib and see what's happening. How has your evening been? Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, I like that one too. Giorgio is currently choosing some prints for a possible collage wall. You're an egg.
I like this one.
I like that one. Wow, does she make these?
I don't know.
They're so good. I really like them.
And there's
animal prints.
Cute watercolor animal heads, perfect for any child's room or even childish adults.
Me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear egg. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. I'm literally just about to turn off my light. I've just been in bed chilling for a little while, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I had such a productive day. It was such a good day, and I'm hoping I'll have a really productive day tomorrow as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Good night.